So I decided to put a snow plow on my F-150. And the problem I had was getting my yellow magnetic beacon light to fit to the aluminum and glass roof. So this is what I did. So how I got my yellow beacon light that's magnetic to attach to my aluminum and glass F-150. I used a piece of 18 gauge galvanized sheet metal, cut a rectangle on my antique shear, punch mounting holes for my suction cups, and this is what we ended up with. The suction cups I got from Amazon. They're just some cheap suction cups with bolts made into them. And then I spray them down with silicone spray. So once I let that sit, wiped it out, it actually worked pretty good. I had it on there for about a week. Even on the highway doing 70 miles an hour, it stayed on there. So other than that, I have no idea how well it's going to work long term. And here we go for the install. Clean the glass. Then run the cord through the back window. Good to go.